ZB Crypto Exchange Review, my usage experience. ZB Crypto Exchange is a comprehensive trading platform designed for crypto enthusiasts, from beginners to seasoned traders. With a wide array of features, it supports spot trading, futures, staking, and a multi-currency wallet system, making it a one-stop destination for managing digital assets. One of its standout features is its robust security framework, utilizing multi-layer encryption and cold wallet storage to safeguard user funds. ZB caters to a global audience, offering a user-friendly interface and support for multiple languages, which makes it accessible to a diverse range of traders. My experience with ZB has been mostly positive. The exchange boasts over 100 listed cryptocurrencies, including major tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and emerging altcoins, ensuring ample opportunities for portfolio diversification. Its low trading fees, especially for VIP users who hold ZB tokens, provide cost-effective trading options. The liquidity on ZB is impressive, with minimal slippage even during high market volatility, which is crucial for day traders. For advanced traders, the platform's futures and leverage trading options are particularly attractive. ZB's trading tools, including detailed charting, technical analysis indicators, and real-time market data, enhance decision-making capabilities. Beginners aren't left out, as the platform offers a simplified trading view and detailed tutorials to ease onboarding. Additionally, the mobile app is well optimized, offering the same functionality as the desktop version, which allows for seamless trading on the go. Customer support, available via live chat and email, was responsive during my testing. While not the fastest, the team addressed my queries within a few hours. The onboarding process is smooth, though identity verification, KYC, might feel stringent to some users. However, this adherence to compliance enhances trustworthiness, especially for users wary of unregulated platforms. On the downside, the platform's staking rewards could be more competitive compared to other exchanges. Additionally, while ZB has taken significant steps in security, more transparency about audits or penetration testing would boost user confidence further. Overall, ZB Crypto Exchange is a versatile and secure platform with features that cater to a broad spectrum of users. Whether you're looking to execute frequent trades, explore advanced derivatives, or simply hold assets in a secure wallet, ZB has you covered. My usage experience has been efficient and smooth, and I'd recommend it to traders seeking a reliable exchange with a strong focus on security and diverse trading options.